Hi, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Habanero's Recipes. Thank you so much for your love and support. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you very healthy, delicious okra recipe. This is oil-free or oilless okra or okra soup. Let's get right into it. We'll start by blending onion, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, and aniseed. And then into our pot, I have here my goat meat, goat tripe, cow skin or cow hide, some chopped onion, Remy spice, goat seasoning. I added in salt, and then I'll add my blended vegetables. I'll give it a nice stir. I'll cover it and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. Into a separate pot, I have here my crabs, my snails, and then my freshly cleaned tilapia, and then some shrimps. I'll add in my chopped onion, some salt, shrimp seasoning, and then the remaining of my blended vegetables. I'll cover it and allow this to steam for a good 10 minutes. You don't want to roughly stir this because the tilapia is very, very fragile and you don't want it to tear apart. After 10 minutes, I checked on my assorted meat and then stirred it up. I went ahead to add just a bit of water to it, covered it, and allowed it to cook until it was very tender. You know, goat meat is very tough. The tripe is tough, so you want to make sure that it's very well cooked. And then I went on to use my food processor blender to blend my okra. You can also grate it or cut it up as you desire. All right, so at this point, my tilapia and all my seafood is very well steamed, so I removed it out of the stock. I added in some locust bean or dawa dawa to the stock, and then I added in my okra. Okay, I'm making this very, very healthy. I added in some baking soda and then gave it a stir. I also went ahead to add just a bit of water. I allowed it to cook for about 5 minutes, and then I came in with my frozen jute leaves. Okay, jute leaf or molokaya, however you called it, and then I allowed this to also cook for a good 5 minutes. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate you all. At this point, my assorted meat, my goat meat, the tripe, and the cowhide was very well cooked. So I went ahead to add my cooked okra and then added in my seafood. Everything is coming along pretty well. I added in my tilapia because, you know, the last thing you want is for your tilapia to scatter. And then you want to easily stir this so that you don't scatter your tilapia. I added in more habanero peppers for extra heat. Also added in some fresh onions and then allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. And the oilless okra soup, guys, is ready. I enjoyed this with bangkun, and I'll be bringing the recipe of the bangkun to you guys very soon. Also allowed it to simmer for a good 5 minutes, you know, at least 5 to 7 minutes. And the okra is ready to be served. Like I said, I'm enjoying this with bangkun. All right, you can enjoy this with fufu as well, guys. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching the video until this point. Really appreciate you guys, and I miss you all. Yes, a few months ago, my baby was not feeling well, so I had to take some time off to take care of the family. And I really appreciate you all. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.